Dude, I'm so bipolar when it comes to my car and wheels. I can't make up my mind if I want the white or if I want the blues. Look at these bye-byes. So I'm going back to blue. I was at blue, then I went back to white, then I'm back to blue now. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the blue better, or do you like the white? I've been rocking white wheels on this car since day one, actually. So it's kind of refreshing to have something other than white for once, at least for me. Let's see. I'll pop these off and see which one you guys like. Oh, by the way, this jack is by Sunex and it's called the Lowrider. It's the only thing that fits under my car. I know someone's gonna bitch about my DeWalt. I've had it forever and it's still chugging. Though when I do break this, I'm gonna get Milwaukee. But black and yellow, baby. Black and yellow. Pop this off. I just got an alignment at Evasive Motorsports, so it should be perfect. Oh, always get your hub-centric rings. Sometimes these guys like to stay with the wheel. Yeah. Okay. Pop that there. And then, what's that one facing? That way. I'm trying to match the sticker line. That way when I drive, they match. How extra is that? What is that? Oh, nope, I can't. It's in gear. Womp womp. Okay. These are titanium lug nuts, but it's not like the Miata titanium lug nuts where I'm like super finicky with messing them up, because I don't care. This is my Canyon car, so it's gonna get beat regardless. Like these fancy wheels, they're gonna get peppered at the track. And the bad part with these blues, they'll chip silver because it's obviously aluminum, right? Under the white is obviously silver, so you can't really tell because it's white. This is just light. Huh. Doesn't look too bad, I guess. Let's do this side. Okay. And I know someone's gonna ask what wheels these are. These are TE37 SLs. And they're getting discontinued, or they are discontinued now, so get whatever you can find. And yes, you can put center caps on them. They do have them available. Huh. Okay. Then this guy, trying to match the sticker. And whatever. There you go. And size, these are 15 by 835 offset. 225, 45, 15, Toyo Proxys R, new track day tire. Which I actually use on the Canyons, because they're actually quite good for Canyon use too. So yeah, you just gotta warm them up. So don't just drive it up there, full send it when it's not freaking warm, because it won't be good. All right, let's see how this looks. Let's try not to drop this on my side skirts. Haha. Look at that. So what you guys think? The blues or the whites? The blue just makes this thing look so much more aggressive, huh? Huh. I don't know, I can't decide.